My mom stuffed mushrooms. Let me show you how I make them.
To make these mushrooms, you just need a little bit of heavy cream, a little bit of breadcrumbs, a package of mushrooms, and a couple of tablespoons of butter. Separate the caps from the stems and chop the stems finely. And you're gonna cook it in 2 tablespoons of melted butter and add some salt and pepper to taste. Cook the mushrooms till they're a nice golden brown. This is what it looks like when the mushrooms are cooked. Taste it and add salt and pepper to taste. Add a couple of tablespoons of Italian breadcrumbs, a splash of heavy cream, and cook for a couple minutes till combined. This gives you a delicious filling. Put the mushroom mixture on top of your mushroom caps and bake at 400 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes depending on your oven. I did it in my air fryer and it came out great. I'm not a huge mushroom fan, but these are delicious and make a great appetizer or snack. Give them a try. I know you'll love them. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.